Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress. At first, go to your admin dashboard. We need to install a plugin which is Sitekit. Let's search it. Okay, search Sitekit. So click on the install now. Okay, now activate it. Okay, now click on the start setup. You can sign in with Google. Okay. Okay, you can see Sitekit. That is the dashboard and developer setting. That's how you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.